If you're looking for the convenience of South Tyler, but you want to avoid those high South Tyler prices, we've got a great home here on Bluegrass Circle in Flint, Texas. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, over 1,500 square feet. Let's go take a look.
A large open concept living room, gas fireplace, just an incredible place to bring the whole family to sit down, relax, and enjoy the evenings.
So just off the living room, you've got 2 bedrooms that lead into a good sized kitchen with a really nice cozy eat-in area.
And step out back to your fully fenced backyard here in a community just outside of town with no HOA, and this might be the perfect fit for you.
Well, you've seen all Bluegrass Circle has to offer right here in Flint, Texas.
We've got all the information in the description.
So contact us for your private showing today.